Hey, what's up, my Tacoma buddies, and welcome to my channel, Tacoma Modzala. My name is Alex, and I hope that you are doing well today. It's about minus 10 degrees Celsius, and it's a little cold. That's around 15 degrees to my friends out of the border. So it's a little chilly, and I'm hoping that this video that I'm bringing to you won't take that long to shoot. So let me just get to it. About 4 months ago, I purchased and installed an anytime backup camera system from Running for Tacos, and I installed it onto my 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. And I'll also post that link to that do-it-yourself video so you can check it out. At any rate, after installing that system, it turns out that the camera displays an inverted image. So what's on the left is on the right, and what's on the right is on the left of that screen. So I contacted Running for Tacos and they sent me a replacement camera unit without question. So as a matter of fact, I just received it a couple of days ago, hence why I'm doing this video, as you may have the same problem as mine, and hopefully that this video will help you out. So let's get to it. So let me just explain to you guys with a quick visual of what's needed to be fixed. And as you can see here, let me just flick on that camera, the rear camera first, and as you can see, that works as expected. If I flip it over to the front facing camera, as you can see, I hope everything is clear. As you can see, my black Honda Accord is actually parked in front. It's on the left in reality, but on the screen it's actually on the right of the screen. So we need to reverse this, and I'm hoping that this new camera that was sent to me will fix it, and let's replace it and take it from there. So let's just have a quick look at what is inside the package. We have the replacement camera unit and the video connection cable, and a sweet and short instruction over here, if you call it that, which is basically the same instructions as mounting the a brand new one. Drill your hole, red wire to the 12-volt battery, black wire to the ground, and depending on which configuration you want to do, you can cut the green or the white wires, which are right over here, green and white. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the old one, which is right here, and take out the old cable, and hopefully we don't need to install this video cable, because this will involve opening up the panel and then plugging this onto the switch, rerouting, going through the grommet, which is the fire hole, and also reconnecting to the battery, to the ground, all that fun stuff. But I would really would like to avoid that if I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug all that, plug this in, and see how that works. So I just finished completing the installation. Man, it's cold out there. My fingertips are a little numb, but that's okay. So now next thing is to test out the camera, see if it works. Like I said, I connected the camera unit without using this video cable, and let's test it out. There you have it. Works like a charm. As you can see outside, my vehicles are to the left of the screen, and on the screen they are actually on the left of the screen. So as you can see, it works well. Again, no need to use the video cable, guys, and that is it. So we are all done, and I'm so happy that everything worked out well. I'm extra happy that we didn't have to run the video connection cable, because that's a lot of extra tedious work that I didn't really want to do, and also extra video coverage that you guys don't need to watch. If you have any questions or comments, please post them on the comment section below. Please hit that subscribe and notification bell buttons, and until the next video, for now, if you can be anything, please be nice.